Retention can add peace of mind to daily wear of the Cochlear Nucleus 8 sound processor. There are a variety of retention options for you to choose from. For a list of the retention options available for purchase, you can navigate to the online Cochlear store. Your Nucleus 8 will come standard with the medium ear hook, but there are additional sizes available: a small, a large, and a small tamper-resistant ear hook meant for use by pediatric recipients. You may have chosen an additional retention option for your processor: snug fits, designed for behind-the-ear retention. To use the snug fit, remove the existing ear hook and snap the snug fit into place. You can bend the snug fit to fit the contour of your ear. Hug fits, designed for 360-degree behind-the-ear retention. To use the hug fit, remove the existing ear hook and snap the hug fit into place. You can pull the hug fit over your ear for full coverage and retention. The ear mold adapter is designed to act like a hearing aid ear mold to hold your processor in place. To use, remove the existing ear hook and snap the ear mold adapter into place. The head-worn adapter is designed to convert your Nucleus 8 into an off-the-ear wearing option and is available in a left or a right ear configuration. To use it, snap the Nucleus 8 into place and place the coil into the head-worn adapter. The koala clip is another option to wear your processor off the ear. A 25-centimeter coil cable is needed to clip to your shirt. To use it, attach the coil cable to the processor, the koala clip to your sound processor, and then clip it to your shirt. The pediatric headband is an option for children who find it difficult to keep the sound processor on the ear. Lay the sound processor on the headband and secure with the Velcro strap. Slide the coil through the loop for added retention. If you have a Nucleus 8 activity kit as one of your accessories, it will have 2 additional retention options: a safety line and a mic lock stirrup. Watch the Aqua Plus video for more information. As you can see, there are a variety of retention options that can be used to fit your lifestyle.